We will create a system that automatically collects messages from different Telegram chats and sends them to one or multiple chats with optional AI processing. Go to the Neurallux platform, link in the description. Connect your Telegram account and import chats. Next, you have two options. Use a ready-made workflow or create one from scratch with me. If you choose a ready-made workflow, follow these steps. Go to the Ready-Made Workflows section. Select the Message Forwarder or Message Forwarder with AI workflow. The AI version pre-processes the text before sending. If necessary, purchase additional resources. Then, select Source Chats, where messages will be taken from. Select Destination Chats, where they will be sent. Specify the Telegram account that monitors new messages. Specify the account that sends messages. Create a scenario and open it. Save the scenario. In the AI text block, you can modify the instructions or select a different model. Now test it. Send a message to a source chat. It will be processed by AI and then sent to the destination chats. It works. If you need to change the source or destination chats, open the scenario, go to Variables, and edit the corresponding variables. If you want to create a workflow from scratch, continue below. Go to the Workflow section and create a new workflow. It is recommended to review the rules for safe use of Telegram accounts. Let's name the workflow Message Forwarder. Now the logic. Each new message is checked. If it comes from a required chat, it is forwarded. We will build this using 3 blocks. Trigger monitors new messages. Condition checks the source chat. Action sends the message. Connect the blocks and proceed to configuration. In the trigger block, select a Telegram account. Save message data into variables. Text to variable text. Chat ID to variable chat_ID. Media to variable media. In the condition block, you need to check that the chat is in the tracked list. Select the contains operator. In the left field, specify the tracked chats. In the right field, specify the chat_ID variable. In the action block, select the sending account. Specify destination chats. In the text field, insert the text variable. In the media field, insert the media variable. Save and test. Send a message to a tracked chat. It is forwarded immediately. Check another chat. It works the same way. Add media. It is also transferred correctly. Now let's add AI processing. This allows modifying the text before sending. Add an AI text block between condition and action. In the settings, in the prompt field, specify the text variable. In the instruction field, define how the text should be processed. Save the result into the new _text variable. I will keep the default AI model. In the action block, replace the text variable with new _text. Save and test again. Send a message. After a few seconds, it arrives already processed. The workflow is ready. If needed, you can extend it, add filtering, analytics, or more complex message processing.